आज बी टुनाइट को धमाकेदार ओपनिंग देने के लिए आ गई हैं करीना कपूर। बेबो अपनी इस इनिंग्स की शुरुआत कर रही हैं टॉम क्रूज के साथ काम करने का छक्का लगाकर। जूम के साथ करीना के इस एक्सक्लूसिव इंटरव्यू में सिर्फ हॉलीवुड प्लान्स ही खास नहीं हैं, बल्कि करीना ने प्रियंका से कैट फाइट और उन्हें लेकर रहने वाली इंडस्ट्री की गॉसिप्स पर कन्फेशंस के कई चौके छक्के जमा दिए हैं।
Hi, welcome Kareena.
Thank you.
Okay, my first question, 10 years in the industry, a string of hits, a string of flops, and still you're the reigning queen. How?
बचपन से ही I've always wanted to be an actress. एक goal set किया था, yeah, I mean I just always had a dream and a wish that I knew that I had to fulfill, and I knew that I would work however hard and whatever it took to be at this position. And of course it's taken a decade. But I mean, the journey's been, I think it's just been spectacular.
I guess that's how you become brand Kareena.
No, I think I've just balanced my attitude, I think, in the right way. And that's why probably the brands. But I'm excited about the fact that, being the only person after which an international brand like Sony actually started a laptop after the whole size zero thing. I mean, and when they came to me, I think that's when actually I realized, I said, okay, this is quite a big deal. So I actually sat and celebrated with my parents and felt really good about it.
Is that the reason you're called the Angelina of Bollywood? How do you take that?
The whole dynamics of Hollywood is completely different from, the Indian film fraternity. Somewhere actresses there, they get roles. Like an Angelina Jolie can do a changeling. A Kate Winslet does do a reader. But here, I mean, suddenly a heroine-oriented script doesn't get the success like a Three Idiots or a Golmaal 3.
So how would you go for a role with Tom Cruise?
Actually, nowhere. Shah Rukh is the answer, I think, to Tom Cruise. I think for me, he's bigger than Tom Cruise. I mean, he's the Badshah of Bollywood. And I don't think I should do something what I won't be able to do. I mean, to kind of go there and, do screen tests and try to, get a film, it's very difficult. You have to park yourself. Yeah, you have to park yourself there for like 7 to 8 months, maybe a year, and after that you might just get a 2-bit role in a film, And I don't know if that's what I'm looking at.
And talking about the Khans, you've been often saying that Aamir is a god of acting. So it doesn't upset the rest of the Khans and you work with who are really so fond of you too.
The only personal equation I think I have is both Saif and me are very, very close to Shah Rukh and Gauri.
Right, yeah.
And I mean, we've been friends with them for years now, I'm crazy about Aamir. I've been a huge Aamir fan since I've been like in school. So, and I tell that to Aamir as well. But I mean, beyond that, I think we work together because obviously there is some sort of chemistry, there is some sort of requirement, and I'm sure Aamir casted me in this film not because we're friends. And if someone else suited the part, I'm sure he'll work with them. I do not wish to believe otherwise, that you get roles due to your friendships.
You see traces of Aamir and Imran?
No, I think they're quite different from each other, but I think he's the dark horse. In fact, both Saif and me have always liked Imran since Jaane Tu. I think he'll be a huge superstar. But actually, I'm just really biased towards Aamir because I love Aamir, so I don't know if I can put Imran and Aamir together. I mean, of course, Imran's a friend and he's really sweet, but to me, Aamir is the best.
Recently, you've been really bonding with a lot of people at various events. People sees you, talk to Priyanka or Shahid. Are you at a stage in life where you let bygones be bygones and let it all, let the past rest?
There has never been an issue from my side, and there never will be. So talking to people, I mean, they are colleagues, and I talk to all my colleagues whenever I meet them.
Right.
So there's never really been an issue.
Like often between PC and you, there have been a war of words, and it's very entertaining too. So
but
not from talk about it, or is it just
not from my side. I think the only thing I've actually ever said was about the whole accent thing on Coffee with Karan, which was like a joke because I thought that she was, I mean, it was something like more like tongue-in-cheek and fun. I didn't think that she would, make it such a big deal. But since it did say, and she went on to say a few things, but I think it's each to its own because I want to maintain a silence about it, and I have no issues from my side. In fact, I've always said she's a wonderful actress.
But I know how much the Kapoor title means to you. So would you ever like to be Kareena Kapoor Khan?
I mean, of course I would. and one day every girl dreams of a lifetime of happiness and fulfillment, and I'm no exception to that rule. But I'm going through the best phase of my career right now, and Saif accepts that and respects that you know, this is something that I've waited for since I've been a child. Not that I'm worried about anything, but all I know is that time doesn't permit us to kind of decide on when, what, how. And we've never hidden our relationship from the media, so we never will. And when we decide to do it, God willing, whenever it is, I think the media will be the first to know. But as of now, I think we'll stick to Kareena Kapoor.
Thanks so much, and thanks for being on our show.
Thank you.
वाओ बेबो, आपने तो छुट्टी कर दी सबकी। बिल्कुल हमारी नेक्स्ट न्यूज के सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन रहे बॉलीवुड स्टार्स।